Good morning. What's going on, Monopoly family? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I know this is not the norm where we make a video in bed, but I'm not feeling great. I haven't been feeling great for the past 2 days, and a lot of you will have heard about it on social media. But today, it's not going to stop me from making a video for you guys. I made a promise last week or 2 weeks ago. I said, we'll do these videos every week where I show you how I make money in the stock market, live trades. But also I made another promise, and I said every month I will donate my winnings from a trade to just a random GoFundMe account. I done that last time, and I challenged a few people to do the same thing, but nobody accepted the challenge. So I'll just challenge myself today to do the same thing and just donate our winnings if we come out profitable to just a random GoFundMe account. So I'm just going to take you guys from start to finish, show you how I trade. Hopefully our trade will last 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I'm not the only one trading this style, by the way. Hundreds are going to be trading this style, and you'll see them in this video. But the thing is, guys, what I want to do today is I just want to talk to you about how to get started in the stock market trading, because I've been getting that question lately. So let's just talk about it, and then we'll go through the computer and do our live trading session. So smash that like button, guys. Smash that smashy. Show your boys some love. I appreciate you guys. And yeah, I'm feeling like a sick puppy, but we'll still go ahead with that. So guys, when it comes to trading, if you want to get started, obviously all you need is a simple laptop. You don't really need much, but you have to come to terms with what you want out of the market. If you want a side income, then you're going to focus on swing trading, because it takes less time, it takes less of a skill, and anybody can make money swing trading. Obviously, you will need to learn how to evaluate companies, look for undervalued stocks that will attract volume. The only reason why an investor puts their money in a company is because this company is growing financially. So you need to learn how to analyze companies that way, fundamental analysis. And with day trading, obviously you can make this your full-time thing, and that's what we do here on this channel. Day trading is basically getting in and out from a stock within 5-10 minutes. In my world, that's how long my day trades last, because we trade one stock, last 5-10 minutes, and you'll see it's not just me doing that. It's hundreds on my Discord chat following this same style of trading. One trade, one stock, in, out. Now, you have to just come to terms with that and be realistic what you want out of this. So let's just get right into it, guys. Let's go to the computer. Hopefully we come out green, and we'll just donate our winnings to just a random GoFundMe account. Obviously, when getting started in the stock market, guys, you will need money to start, because it takes money to make money in the stock market, and you will need education. So you don't have to, but if you don't want to lose money, then it's probably worth it. So let's just get right into it, guys. Alright guys, so we're actually going to trade from my bed. This is how I trade usually. Obviously you see me trade on the kitchen table, but this is where I trade. Simple laptop. Now guys, obviously to begin with, I'm going to make it look easy in this video, but it's easy for me because I know what I'm doing. And you'll see, guys, on the Discord chat, hundreds are using my style of trading and following it. Now, what I did was, pre-market, I just gave the stocks that I'm watching. Now, this is not a stock alert service. No, this thing is just a group of people that share the same mindset, that follow the same style of trading, same strategy. And yeah, so as you can tell, I just shared it, guys. We've already discussed the trade ideas. And what we're going to do now, we're going to trade one of the two stocks that I'm watching, and that is either JD or Advanced Auto Parts. So hopefully we come out green, guys. Hopefully we get to kill it. So trading isn't hard, guys. Number one, we found the stock with the earner reports or just the news, because news will influence stocks to move in value significantly up or down. Number two, we understand the pattern, we understand the behaviors. Number three, we understand the psychology of traders, and history repeats itself. So we're just going to follow the trend and execute our trades, and also come out profitable within 5-10 minutes if we make the right decision. So 5-10 minutes is how long we're going to last, hopefully. Guys, we're getting in on this stock called JD with 500 shares. Now, that stock pulled back, but now the report is pushing it even further. It's showing growthish in the report, but again, the China tariffs thing is really getting in its way. So we're holding that stock. I'm just gonna hold it now. Now it's just a waiting game. I have a report to back my decision up, and the report was absolutely amazing for that stock, guys. That's the earner report. I just analyzed that, and it's amazing. So now we're just waiting for the stock to give us what we want. I've got a stop loss, a mental stop loss, waiting. Alright guys, so we are now $370 with 500 shares, and I'm ready to get out and take that profit. I think it's only right we liquidate and walk away with that 370. Alright, so 300 before it goes down, let's just walk away with 350. So 350 profit guys on that stock. Guys, here's the chat killing it, as you can tell. Some of you's entered the same stock as me, which is JD. Others made the wrong decision, entered different stock, but in total I can see the chat is killing it. Here's my result for the day guys, 350 on JD. Now here's more reviews, sharing your stats, because that's what we do, and it's only 20 minutes into market opening. Here's $200. Yeah, don't use plus 500 guys for day trading. So 240 on JD. I just want to share the stats guys here, just so you can see it happening live. I do share it on my story every now and then. Here's more reviews, good stuff guys. Some of yous are paper trading, some of yous real money, but usually you'll see it when they say it's real. But yeah, you know, here, like, I'm proud of you guys. You know, this is what I like seeing. I know some of yous might have made the wrong decision, but that's okay. It's not a race, it is a marathon guys. It is a marathon. So this is what makes you better, is that you learn from these mistakes. Here's 100. Here's a salary that people make working a 9-to-5 job. But anyways, it only lasted us 10 minutes guys. So 350 in total is how much I've made. Let's go donate that money guys. Let's go donate what we made today, and hopefully somebody gets to benefit from our hard work. Here is more reviews, killing it, sharing your stats. Good stuff guys. Alright guys, so just as promised, it's time to donate and get rid of that money we just made earlier. So I don't know guys, I really don't know. There's too much here that I want to give to, but maybe, let me see. Alright, give school to abandoned girls in Mexico. Alright, no problem. Alright, we'll donate here guys. 300 euros, so that will come out to $350. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in a few seconds. Alright guys, so as promised, here we go on behalf of you guys. I just want to show you guys that I do what I talk about. So here's the donation, gone through hopefully, and yes it did. So hopefully our donations goes to a good cause guys. As you can tell, it is going to a good cause here, and yeah, amazing. Message we just got guys, after donating. So I just want to show you this, because I know there's losers out there that will always doubt everything we do. So that's what a successful day looks for me. We went in, made some money, the chat got to make some money also. Obviously not everybody got to kill it today, but majority of the chat got to do well. Now you'll notice it's the same names time and time again. That says a lot. Consistency is showing for these guys. Obviously those who made the wrong decision today, tomorrow you'll come back, recover your losses if you decided to keep your losses to a minimum, because that's what we preach. Now remember guys, trading is a career, it's not a get rich quick. It's not a race, it's a marathon. So if you really want to enter this field, then you're going to do everything in your power to get educated and become the top. Now obviously I've got tutorials for you guys on this channel to put your foot through the door, so the rest is going to be in the course. And if you want to join us on the Discord chat, there's hundreds waiting for you guys, and that's what we do every day. So here's the thing guys, we done everything we wanted to do. We went in, executed the trade. It was one trade, took us 10 minutes or 15 minutes. We came out with $350, i.e. was 300, and yeah, we donated it just like I promised you guys. Now I gotta go enjoy the rest of the day. It's still time, plenty of time to enjoy my life, but if you want this, then you have to work extra hard. Not work hard, but work smart, right? Because working hard isn't what's gonna bring you to where you want to be. And if you made losses today, or have been making losses, then it's time to take a step back, look at what you're doing, seek a mentor if you haven't already, and just focus on your executions and entries, and maybe redefine what you're doing. Because if you go in with a gambling mindset, you're bound to quit before you even start. And that's why many people quit, is because they just gamble. They just, okay, here, take my money. Let's say they say, okay, it's not for me. No, if you want this, you gotta put your mind to it. That's the only way to success. Anyways, guys, I gotta go. See you for more videos. I appreciate you for watching. Smash that like if you made it this far, and I'll see you for more videos. Peace.